box cake. No, do not judge me. I'm a busy woman. Wondering why I make cupcakes, and it's because we hit 10,000 YouTube subscribers on this channel, so that calls for a celebration. You know, I wanted to do a whole cake with 10 candles, but honestly, nobody has time for that, so cupcake with 1 candle, it is. It's been my dream to be a consistent YouTuber for years, and it's finally happening. Everything has been aligning. The right community is landing on my channel. It's just like-minded women. To everyone who watches my videos, thank you truly from the bottom of my heart. This is only the beginning. Make sure you subscribe because we have so much in store for the rest of this year and the rest of this lifetime of this channel, honestly. Okay, here's to 10K. Thank you for being here. Let's get on with the video. Don't sleep on box cake. This is so good. Fitting that we have to go to. We have to shoot the campaign for the fitting, and then we have a team dinner tonight. So lots on the go. What a really fun, exciting day. This is my OOTD. Let me show you. I have to moisturize my feet, but I'll show you anyways. I'm gonna do a full OOTD because it was really hard to show you guys before. This is the look of the day. Feeling like some linen, some cashmere. This top is from M&M. It's like a cashmere sweater, and then the pants are aritzia linen. Shoes are Reformation. This is like an outfit that I'm gonna be wearing in Europe when I go in a few weeks. I love that my closet right now is just built of staples that are so suited for so many seasons, all the seasons honestly, and I can just cherry pick what I wanna wear for the day.
Super cute.
Dress was so nice, I had to wear it out of the store. I don't have my eyeglasses. I don't know if y'all know this yet. You should know me by now, but I'm blind as a bat. You know what? You direct it. I'm blind as a bat. I don't have my glasses on me. I have sunglasses with prescription, so I might have to wear those. I'm wearing a dress and I'm wearing heels.
It's a big screen. I think you'll be okay.
I really wanted to see Florence Pugh in all her glory, but if you go to the movies, shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. Hey, girl.
No,
Did you see Sinners?
You're seeing the Marvel.
You guys, I don't have my eyeglasses.
Do you want to borrow mine?
And we have a dinner to go to. The dinner tonight that I was invited to is the same place that I planned and had dinner at yesterday, but hey, I'm not complaining. It is such a good place. It's called Dovetail. The theme, it's for a, let me put my toilet down. You guys don't need to see my toilet seat. The dinner event tonight is for a skincare company called Lux Skincare, and they are opening up in Yaletown. So they're having a dinner for a few creators in the city to celebrate and welcome them into the neighborhood. And the theme of tonight is neutral glam. So they said neutral clothing and a glow from within makeup look. So that's what I channeled today. This blazer is from aritzia. I'm wearing some. What's the jeans called where it's like this? I'll put it on the screen here. That's the type of jean that I'm wearing. I'm gonna do a boot heel because it's raining. So let's go.